it?
Yeah. I'm trying to make it really quick.
Oh, oh damn. I think I need a shot after this. Whew. Yeah, it's got that. I can't even explain it. It's in my lower back mainly.
Lower back.
It's here. Like, here.
So through the left side?
Yeah.
All the way down?
So spinal cord.
Yeah.
There. Right on the spot. There. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh.
Is it just as painful?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm barely touching that. So if we look over here, there's a lot of swelling over. I'm not going to touch it because I'm barely touching it. It's excruciating pain. See how much firmer it is here versus something going on the left side.
The first thing I'm going to look at is her lateral or side profile. I want to see if there are any issues with her lumbar disc. So the first thing I'm noticing off the bat is that she has a lot of wear and tear in her L4, right? These spurs actually typically mean that that joint is hypermobile, meaning there's something probably going down at the L5. Yet I don't really see anything too crazy into here. Of course, I'm still going to have to check on the patient, but I don't think this is going to be the biggest deal for her. So she's definitely shifted off. Her center of gravity is going off to the right. She definitely has a rotated pelvis. You can see by her pubic symphysis shifting off to the left. I'm actually going to guess there's a PIIN on this patient. So that's what I see on the x-rays. Of course, I'm going to have to match it to the patient.
I'm going to go ahead and be slow with it because I don't want to. Okay, so this is where we're going to adjust.
Oh. It's much better.
Look at the speed of that turn. Look at that.
Turtle. Yeah, definitely feel a whole lot better than my first few months.
Yeah, well,
You can look up.
you can look up, yeah.
So walking is much better because 2:45 I had to drop my mom off at the doctor's office, which was in the mall.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
So I started walking around at the mall.
Okay.
And
You walked around at the mall?
I walked around at the mall by myself.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so I was walking around and I mean it didn't hurt. I didn't get the shooting pain down my leg. I mean I was able to walk but not like, you know, how like a fast paced walk, just a normal pace.
Yeah.
So just strolling down the whole freaking mall.
Wow, okay.
It was like an hour walk. I was like, I'm walking out. I didn't realize I was walking for an hour until my mom called me, she's like, I'm done. I'm like, okay. Dang. An hour?
Could you have done that before?
No. I would have been like, I'm waiting in the car. Nope. I'm done.
Okay.
I drove you here. I think that's it. That's all I
Okay.
can do. So I feel better. I mean, I don't feel like I have to. Before, I felt like I was like 9 months pregnant and beyond, like I had to waddle. Now I just feel like a little lighter.
Nice.
And I can put a little more pressure on my right, but just not standing on it. I mean, I can lift up my leg a little more on its own now.
Yeah, actually, go ahead and do that. Let me see how you. So go ahead and.
Before I would have been like, no. Oh, I would just tell you right off the back, no.
Okay. I remember.
But yeah,
I remember
I
yesterday.
can kind of just, I can lift
Wow.
a little more now.
Good.
I
Okay.
think it's probably from all that I've been doing today as well. But this is progress. I like it.
Okay.